Revenge time from PREPLY. Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to compare TutorMe and PREPLY.com. To level the play field, we must know that both of these websites offer online tutoring services where you can earn money by teaching online. And after watching this video, I hope you get a clear idea which website is better for your taste. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give my personal view about both of these platforms. So as you know that I have already uploaded a complete guide how to apply on PREPLY.com. So at the end of this video, I'm also going to share complete guide to apply for TutorMe.com. So stick till the end if you want to learn how to apply for TutorMe.com. So in order to compare both of these websites, I'm going to ask a common question and answer them from both of these websites' perspectives. So the first question is, what are the requirements to become a tutor? So for TutorMe.com, you need to be above 18 of age. Secondly, you need to have some tutoring experience. You should have mastery of subject. You should own a certificate from a well-known university or institute. On the other side, for PREPLY.com, there is no age limit, there is no need of experience for tutoring, no need of certificates from any university. In order to be a PREPLY tutor, they just need a person who enjoys sharing knowledge and making a person's life easier. Now the second question, what are the payment protocols of both of these websites? For TutorMe.com, they offer $16 for each hour spent with their students. On the flip side, on PREPLY, you can set your own rate for each hour spent on a student. On TutorMe, you are paid on weekly basis. On PREPLY, you are paid on monthly basis. Now it is worth mentioning that PREPLY claims that its most popular tutors get paid $550 each week. And if we compare this with TutorMe, you can calculate this. If you teach 5 hours a day on TutorMe, you get 16 into 5 is equal to $80 a day. And if you teach for consecutive 6 days on TutorMe, you will get paid around 80 into 6, around $500. You should also know that PREPLY cut 100% of first hour. It means that you don't get paid for the first hour you teach on PREPLY, and afterwards they deduct 33% of the total revenue that you generate from teaching students. And they further claim that this deduction can be reduced up to 18%. On the other hand, on TutorMe, there is no need of math. You are paid $16 an hour with no deduction, with no compromise. Now comes the third question. What is the applying procedure for both of these websites? For TutorMe, if you want to teach online, you must have a Facebook ID so that they can authenticate your verification. And if you are a student on TutorMe, it's optional for you. And you should also not worry because they are not going to give access of your Facebook ID to their students. In order to apply for PREPLY, you just need to give some basic information about you and an introduction video. And if you want more information regarding procedure for PREPLY, you can click on this video right above my head. Now the next question, how can you get more tuitions from both of these websites? The answer is also common. Both of these websites are responsible to provide you with students. And do you remember the early part of this video where I mentioned that PREPLY deducts 33% of the total income you get? That deduction and commission is actually for this purpose. Now the next question, which of these websites offer more number of teaching subjects? So here I am on TutorMe website and I'm literally impressed by the number of subjects they have to offer. You name your subject and you will definitely get it. Even more impressive is that they offer test preparation subjects like CSS. So now I'm on PREPLY official website and I'm unable to see any name of subject, but I think PREPLY is more focused on providing same geographical teachers to number of students they have. Now comes the question regarding payment methods. If you are teaching on TutorMe, you are paid only and only by PayPal. There is no other option. And if you are teaching on Preply, you can get your money via wire transfer, Skrill, PayPal, or Pioneer. So my closing thoughts: if you want to teach professionally, you should go for TutorMe because they offer many subjects in terms of teaching. But you should also know that if you don't have a PayPal account, you are not going to receive a single penny from tutorme.com. If you want to teach casually, you should go for Preply because their motto is that you should know something, you should have some knowledge about something, and you should have some communication skills to share your knowledge with other people. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to sign up for tutorme.com, which is also an online platform like Preply for online tuition. You know the rest of it, blah blah blah. Type tutorme.com, tutorme on the Google Chrome. Now you should click on this apply for online tutoring jobs. Okay, you're going to apply for the job. So let's click on apply for online tutoring jobs. Then you are going to click on apply now. Now, as I already mentioned that you should have a Facebook account in order to connect with tutorme.com. It is compulsory for everyone who wants to become a tutor. So let's solve. Okay guys, now after filling your Facebook ID requirements, you are redirected to this application form. Now I'm going to fill this form. This is my friend's ID because I have already tested on my ID. So let's fill the form. Now here you are going to put your name, the last name, the email address, then what are you in your life. You can select university or career. I'm going to select university. Okay, before putting in your mobile phone number, you should know that you are not allowed to put 0 before your cell phone number. I'm going to put a random number. So please don't put 0 because it is not going to work that way. This is just a random number. Click on the next. Now in the headline column, you should put some punchline in order to attract your students. I'm going to choose. Okay, write something about yourself. I'm just going to fill it randomly. Now tell your experience. How much teaching experience do you have? I'm going to put a random numbers just to fill this form. Okay, here in the work experience column, they want to know if you have been working for any company recently or any project you have been working on. I'm going to type none because I have not worked with any of the company. So here now I'm again going to put some random information, but you should put correct information if you're serious about getting this tuition opportunity. Now you are going to need the name of college or universities you have studied or you are studying right now in. And if you don't find your university name, then you can click on, you can write other, and here you can select other colleges. Now here I want to clear your concept about major and degree. A degree is something common and major is something like specific. Like if I am doing MBBS degree, bachelor's in medicine and surgery, then if I'm going to do my specialization in surgery, medicine, pathology, pharmacology, whatever your interests are, are going to put your specialization here. Like if I'm going to do surgery, I'm going to put here surgery, or it means specialization. Okay, now here I'm going to put MD because in America MBBS is MD. Now apply on next. Now here they are asking you which subjects have you mastered, how many subjects you like teaching or you have mastery in, and you can choose multiple options like Arabic. I'm just choosing randomly calculus, science, agriculture. You can choose many multiple subjects and multiple options. But in case of Purpley, there was no option for you to choose multiple subjects. Here they are giving you multiple opportunities. Now here at the bottom, you are going to choose your top three subjects which you have mastery in. I'm going to select randomly, but be sure that you don't pick randomly, okay? It is necessary that you should click on those subjects only and only if you know about them or have some knowledge about them, because the next step is going to be difficult. If you choose some random subject which you don't know about anything, click on next. Now, this is why I was asking you not to choose some random subjects and choose wisely the subjects you have mastered in. So here they want you to create the question by yourself and also solve it by yourself. So I'm going to agricultural science. I'm going to ask a question. What is agricultural science? And here you are going to answer it by yourself. Study of crops and plants. Now I'm going to click next. Now click on the submit. So there we go. We have completed our application form submission successfully. And now we have to wait for 15 to 1 month almost, because it takes a lot of time